What could you do with an extra $10,000 this year? Pay off credit card debt? Finally, take that dream vacation. Build a real emergency fund. Start investing. $10,000 might not make you rich overnight, but it can completely change your financial situation. Most people think saving $10,000 is impossible. They think you need a huge salary or a miracle. But here's the truth. You don't need to win the lottery. You just need a plan. And in this video, I'm going to give you that plan. Here's a scary fact. That means if you can save $10,000, you're already ahead of 75% of the country. That's not just money. That's peace of mind. $10,000 is the magic number. It's enough to cover most emergencies. It's enough to give you options. It's enough to start investing with confidence, and it's achievable for almost anyone with the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save $10,000 in 1 year. Step by step, whether you make $30,000 or $100,000, whether you're starting from zero or already have some savings. Let's get started. Let's start with the math. $10,000 divided by 12 months is about $833 per month. That's the number, but $833 a month can feel overwhelming. So let's break it down further. $10,000 divided by 52 weeks is about $192 per week. That's still a lot, but it's easier to think about. Now let's break it down even more. $192 a week is about $27.50 a day. That's the cost of a few coffees and lunch out. Suddenly, $10,000 doesn't seem so impossible, does it? Here's the key. You don't have to save all $833 a month from your paycheck. You can combine cutting expenses with earning extra money. $500 in cuts plus $333 in extra income gets you there. Or $200 in cuts plus $633 in extra income. Let's say you cut $500 a month from your spending. That's $6,000 a year. And you earn an extra $333 a month from a side hustle. That's another $4,000. Combined, you've hit $10,000. And neither part is overwhelming. So that's the framework. You can save more from your paycheck, earn more on the side, or combine both. The important thing is to find the combination that works for your life. Let's start with cutting expenses. This is where you can save money without earning a single extra dollar. Here are 5 ways to cut $500 or more from your monthly spending. Strategy 1. Housing. This is your biggest expense. Can you refinance your mortgage? That could save hundreds a month. Can you refinance your mortgage? That could save hundreds a month. Strategy 2. Transportation. This is the second biggest expense for most people. If you have a car payment, can you sell the car and buy something cheaper? A $500 car payment is $6,000 a year. That's 60% of your $10,000 goal right there. Strategy 3. Food. The average American spends $300 a month on eating out. If you cut that to $100, you save $200 a month. That's $2,400 a year. And if you meal prep and stop wasting groceries, you can save even more. Strategy 4. Subscriptions. The average person spends $200, $300 a month on subscriptions they don't use. Streaming services, gym memberships, apps, software. Cancel what you don't use. That could be $1,000, $2,000 a year. Strategy 5. Insurance and bills. Shop around for car insurance, home insurance, phone plans, internet. You can often save 20 to 30% just by switching. That's hundreds of dollars a year. Let's add this up. If you save $300 on housing, $200 on food, $100 on subscriptions, and $100 on insurance, that's $700 a month. That's $8,400 a year. You're already 84% of the way to your $10,000 goal. But don't be too extreme. Cutting expenses shouldn't make you miserable. Cut what you don't need. Keep what brings you joy. The goal is to save money, not hate your life. And remember, small cuts add up. That $5 coffee every day is $150 a month. That $10 lunch is $200 a month. That's $350 a month, $4,200 a year. Small changes, big results. So here's your expense cutting checklist: housing, transportation, food, subscriptions, insurance. Attack these 5 areas, and you can easily save $500, $1,000 a month. That's $6,000 to $12,000 a year. Now let's talk about the other side of the equation. Increasing your income. You can only cut so much, but you can earn as much as you want. Here are 5 side hustles to make an extra $500 a month. Side hustle 1, freelancing. If you have any skill, you can freelance. Writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, social media management. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients. Even $500 a month is achievable with a few clients. Side hustle 2, delivery services. Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub. You can make $15, $25 an hour delivering food. Work 10 hours a week. That's $150, $250 a week. $100, $1,000 a month. That's your entire $10,000 goal right there. Side hustle 3, tutoring. If you're good at math, English, or any subject, you can tutor. Many tutors make $30, $50 an hour. Just 10 hours a month at $40 an hour is $400. That is close to your $500 goal. Side hustle 4, selling stuff. Look around your house. Clothes, electronics, furniture, collectibles. Sell them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or most people have $500, $1,000 of stuff they don't use. That's a one-time boost to your savings. Side hustle 5, pet sitting or dog walking. Apps like Rover connect you with pet owners. You can make $20, $30 for a walk, $50, $100 for overnight sitting. A few gigs a week can add up to $500 a month. Let's combine these. $200 from freelancing, $200 from delivery, $100 from tutoring. That's $500 a month, $6,000 a year. Add that to your expense cuts, and you've hit your $10,000 goal. But don't burn yourself out. Choose 1 or 2 side hustles that fit your schedule. It's better to earn $500 consistently than to try 5 things and quit after a month. And don't forget the simplest way to increase income. Ask for a raise. A 5% raise on a $50,000 salary is $2,500 a year. A 10% raise is $5,000. That's half your goal. Have that conversation. So here's your income checklist. Freelancing, delivery, tutoring, selling stuff, pet sitting, and don't forget asking for a raise. These can easily get you $500 a month or more. Now, let's talk about how to make saving automatic. You don't want to rely on willpower. You want a system that works even when you forget. First, set up automatic transfers. Have your paycheck deposited directly into 2 accounts. One for spending, one for savings, or set up an automatic transfer on payday. $833 a month or $417 twice a month. Whatever works for you. Second, use a separate savings account, not your checking account. Out of sight, out of mind. Better yet, use a high-yield savings account so your money earns interest while you save. Third, automate your windfalls. Tax refund, straight to savings. Work bonus, straight to savings. Birthday money, straight to savings. These are the fastest way to boost your savings. Fourth, track your progress. Create a visual tracker, a whiteboard, a spreadsheet, an app. Watch that number grow. Each week, update it. That's your motivation. Set milestones. First, $1,000, $2,500, $5,000, $7,500, $10,000. Every time you hit one, celebrate. That keeps you motivated for the long haul. Fifth, find an accountability partner. Tell a friend, a partner, or an online community When someone else knows your goal, you're more likely to stick with it. Automate your savings. Use a separate account. Save windfalls. Track your progress. Celebrate milestones. Find an accountability partner. This system will get you to $10,000 faster than you think. Here's a bonus strategy to kickstart your savings. The 30-Day Savings Challenge. It's simple, it's fun, and it builds momentum. Here's how it works. On day 1, save $1. Day 2, save $2. Day 3, save $3. All the way to day 30, save $30. It starts small, so it's easy to stick with. But by the end, you've saved over $450. Add it up, $1 plus $2 plus $3, all the way to $30. That's $465. In just 1 month, that's almost 5% of your $10,000 goal. Or do the reverse challenge. Start with $30 on day 1, then $29, then $28. It's harder at the beginning, but you get the big savings early. Both work. Pick the one that motivates you. Track your progress. Print a calendar. Check off each day. Watching the days fill up is satisfying. And at the end, you'll have $465 you didn't have before. Start today, even if it's just $1. The 30-Day Savings Challenge builds the habit of saving, and habits are what make you wealthy over time. Before we wrap up, let me share 5 common mistakes people make when trying to save. Avoid these, and you'll reach your goal faster. Mistake 1, no clear goal. I'll save what I can leads to saving nothing. Set a specific number. $10,000 in 12 months. Write it down. Tell someone. Mistake 2, not automating. Willpower is a limited resource. Automate your savings so you don't have to think about it. Set it and forget it. Mistake 3, being too extreme. If your plan makes you miserable, you won't stick with it. Cut what you don't need, but keep what brings you joy. Sustainable is better than perfect. Mistake 4, not tracking. What gets measured gets managed. Track your savings, your spending, your progress. A spreadsheet or app takes 5 minutes a week. Mistake 5, giving up after 1 bad month. You will have bad months. You'll overspend. You'll miss your savings goal. That's okay. Don't quit. Just restart the next month. Consistency over perfection. Let's quickly recap. $10,000 in 1 year is $833 a month. You can get there by cutting expenses, increasing income, or combining both. Automate your savings, track your progress, and avoid common mistakes. Here's your action plan. This week, open a separate savings account. Set up an automatic transfer of $833 a month or $417 twice a month. Start the 30-Day Savings Challenge today. Imagine that feeling, looking at your savings account and seeing $10,000. Knowing you did it, knowing you're safer than 75% of Americans. That's not just money, that's freedom. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Money Mint for more simple money tips. Next time, we're talking about how to read your credit report and fix errors fast. You won't want to miss it. I'm Mr. Mint, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. Start saving that $10,000. You can do this.